was a big piece of meat.
Mm-hmm. Big hunk of meat like me. A brisket. I'm cooking a brisket. That's gonna be some good eating. Some good eating, baby. Injecting this thing. Now the fun stuff, putting on the seasoning. Using mustard as a binder. So it holds all that seasoning in place, and when you cook it, it's all gonna, you don't taste this mustard. So if you don't like mustard, it's no problem because you don't taste it. But you gotta rub that meat. And then I'm going to put on the salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, and some other wholesome goodness in here. But I'm gonna pat it in, let it sit for about 25 minutes. Let the salt kind of seep in with the pepper, and then put it on the smoker for that all night smoke, baby. Ready to put this thing on? I got my pan of beer and water in there. This thing's all jiggly, which is a good thing. Look at that wholesome piece of meat. Come on, baby, fit in there. This thing's been smoking for about 11 hours. Pretty much, yeah. About 11 hours. And the temperature is like 160, so I'm gonna pull it and wrap it, and I'm gonna spray this thing down with some apple cider, baby.
Is it apple cider or apple juice?
Yeah, apple juice, that's what I meant. Apple cider, same thing.
No,
Yeah.
cider is different from apple juice.
Same thing.
No, it's not. It's different.
Same thing.
Nope.
Hopefully this ain't gonna be messy, and hopefully that. Oh no! Let's go. I'll wet it so it kind of stays. Oh my goodness, this thing's all jiggly jangly. Dang. Well, this thing looking good. Look at that. Oh. You want to wrap this thing, you want to wrap it tight, or as tight as you can get it. And the purpose of spraying this down is so it stays moist. Turn this thing up to 250 and let it go. Let it go. Look at this butter. That is wholesome goodness, right? She's probably like, "Can I have it?"
What do you want me to do?
Stay in there and look
Do
pretty.
your thing.
Hey Dave, I'm gonna have it. I'm gonna have it.
I mean, I'd rather just do it out here so it doesn't drip all over the floor.
Rosie, you want some?
Joe help him. That's safe.
No, I'm bringing it in now. We're gonna wrap it inside.
Whoa.
Easy.
There's a plan right there. Rosie? Oh, you do. She don't.
I just don't want to make a mess. See, look at this. Oh, that's hot.
I'm going to use your brisket knife. Don't worry about it.
Good morning. So my agenda for today is to edit a video for tomorrow. I started editing it 2 days ago. So I do have some of it done, but I do have a lot still to edit, so I have to do that. I want to work on some craft things, and I want to start cleaning the house. We do have something exciting happening on October the 14th. We have our realtor coming to kind of just look at everything that we have done in the house and kind of give us an idea of what we should list the house at. So that is exciting. It is also kind of scary. We love our house, and it is really discouraging that it feels like we just finished all of the remodeling and we haven't even had time to really enjoy it all. And we're going to be listing the house and selling it soon. Also forgot to mention that there is a hurricane out there. It looks like it's going to hit the kind of Panhandle, Panama City coast area. Right now it's a category 2, but we're already starting to feel the outer bands of rain. It's been raining since about 8 o'clock this morning, I guess. I expect it to be a wet, rainy day, which is a perfect day to clean the house.
You want to play a little game? Play a game.
Sure.
All right, here's the game. That's still moving. Still. Yes. What gender? This.
Right outside of Cannibal Harbor, in between that what is the next scare zone? Terrors of the Deep. Very tasty. Marcia did end up getting the Inside Out burger, and it is called an Inside Out burger because it does not have a top. Okay, I have finally finished the video for tomorrow. It is 1:04, and I'm going to go ahead and watch it, which is what I always do after I edit it, just to make sure everything flows together. All of the voiceovers, if I put voiceovers in it, which I did in this one, sound okay, and that there's nothing, blatantly wrong with the video. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to go fix myself some lunch, and then I'm going to start cleaning the house. I think I'm going to kind of do it in stages because I do have some crafts that I want to get to today. So I'm going to kind of break up the house cleaning. I'm going to start downstairs. I'm going to vacuum the bedrooms downstairs. I'm going to go ahead and, I'm going to dust first. Then I'm going to vacuum the bedrooms downstairs. And then I will save the rest for tomorrow and Saturday and Sunday. And when I go downstairs, I'll show you what it's doing outside. It's kind of raining off and on, but the wind is howling. But let's go ahead and watch this video and make sure we don't need to tweak anything. Welcome in if you are new here, and welcome back if you have been here before. So I'm working on the video. I'm uploading it to YouTube now, and I just wanted to give you an idea of what it's doing outside. It is very windy. I don't know if you can hear it in the vent up here, and I'll show you at the window. I don't know if you can hear that. And this is a look at what it's doing out there. There's not really any rain going on right now, but the wind is really whipping it around out there. There is the front. So this is what it's doing right now. It's just a little bit of wind. We're getting the outer wind bands right now. It's not raining right now. It has been raining off and on all day. We did notice though that we have lost our first pool screen. That one right there that I'm pointing at, when the wind blows and it kind of blows it up, you can see just on the corner there that it is busted out. So we'll have to get that one replaced after the storm is over. We did get a few replaced a couple weeks ago, and now we'll have another one. But not too bad right now. We usually tie all these up, but we decided not to this time because it's not going to be too bad in our area. And we also took down the flag and our umbrella from our table. We'll keep you updated on what it's doing. I don't think it's going to get much worse than this though. Just thought I would give you guys another update right before we go to bed. It's about 9:30. Front is not too bad. There's gusts of wind every once in a while. It's raining. It's worse than the back. So yeah, that's it. We're going to bed. I'll check in the morning. Good morning. I look like a woolly booger because I just woke up, so I'm not going to show my face on camera, but just wanted to give you a look at what it looks like this morning. I did a walk around, so the only screen we have to replace was that one right there in the middle because it kind of ripped along the seam there. But you can't even tell until the wind blows, so it may be a few weeks before we get that replaced. But the curtains are kind of all topsy-turvy, and the cushions. The pool's pretty dirty. We did lose our little Hawaiian tea, so that's sad, but we're definitely not going to replace it since we are selling soon. I still need to get out here and trim a bunch of stuff. It's just been so hot. And just lots of kind of debris from the palm trees everywhere, and that's it. We didn't even lose these two pillows on our loungers, so not too bad. We just gotta kind of clean the pool out, but our pool person comes today, so I'm not even going to worry about that because she'll get that. I don't know if you can see the dirt down there, but she will get that. We didn't even have enough rain to fill the pool up, so not bad at all. I do feel bad for all the people on the coast though, because they pretty much got rocked.